The project manager is responsible for sending the DPC projects out to the field. We recommend that these DPC files be sent via Project Express. When using Project Express, you'll need to make sure that your project name does not contain any special characters and that you limit it to 25 characters or less. That being said, if you need to modify the name to fit those parameters, you'll need to click on the Takeoff button to return to OST to make the changes in the cover sheet. Then click the DPC button to return. Now, before you send your project, you must first review the Budget tab. Take note of the total estimated production time. If your Budget tab does not already show this result in terms of hours, click the View as Hours option so that you can get the most detailed results possible. You'll want to include this number in the subject line of the Project Express file that you send so that the foreman can easily differentiate between files as he or she receives them. This habit benefits both the project manager and the foreman in making sure that the project is updated accurately. To send the file, you'll simply click on Send DPC Package via Project Express. Click Yes to send images, and it is recommended to only send to the foreman the images that he or she needs. You may do so by just selecting Pages with Takeoff or Custom Select Images. Next, click Create, and then take note of the fact that because we specified the foreman on the cover sheet as part of our preparation, the email field here will auto-populate with the correct recipients. Next, update your subject line. Remember how important it is to include those estimated hours, and keep in mind that that number will update. Also remember that while email addresses are used to identify the recipient, the file is not actually transferred via email. Instead, the recipient's email will merely provide a notification that there is now a file available for download. The recipient will receive their actual DPC file here in their Project Express inbox. One last thing. Be aware that Project Express will provide a timestamp for each file sent. This timestamp is always done with Pacific time, as that is where the server that hosts Project Express is located. So even if you're in another time zone, when you send or receive a file, that timestamp will consistently be displayed with the Pacific time zone in mind.